Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to design our form to match it with our site's branding. Let's get started. Click on the form element that you wish to work on, and on the action bar above, go to Settings. Another small window will appear. Go to the Design tab, and from here you will have the options to work on your form background, which is what I'm going to do. So, by the way, feel free to tweak these however you want to, just according to your needs and preferences. Apart from changing your background color, you can also adjust its border width and corner radius. So, feel free to tweak them however you need to. Now, let's work on our form fields. So, you can choose your input style, your background also. So you can choose from custom colors or your brand colors here, and you can also adjust their opacity, just like that. Apart from that, you can adjust its corner radius and other settings over here that you can tweak according to your needs and preferences. All right, so now let's move on to our button and let's work on our submit button. So I'm going to choose this one. And we will also be selecting a color that matches our theme or our branding. And you can tweak these things here however you want to, as long as you're happy with it. And if you like, you can also edit the your form's texts. So you can select a font that best work for you, like that, for example. And once you're done tweaking the settings, you can close this window now. And if ever you'd like to move the submit button, which is right over here, and which is something that I'd like to do as well, we're going to try to do that by clicking on Edit Form, which will open another window. And then we're going to try to move our button in between. Then let's click on Save. Oh, we should also align this to the middle. Click on Save, and let's see how it looks. There we go. So basically, that's it. That's how you edit the design of your form. So that's it. We hope you guys found today's video of help, and if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.